Getting started with an Amazon FBA business is easy because of low barriers to entry. To stand out, you need a plan so you can be different from the competition. Coming up with an Amazon FBA business plan is overwhelming and taxing. However, it will be all worth it in the end. So, how do you create an FBA business plan? What to write in your Amazon FBA business plan template. This template will work as an internal roadmap that you will use in growing your business. It helps you establish the required groundwork, streamline the positioning of your business, analyze step-by-step processes, and ensure some form of viable potential. Check out the following key parts of a comprehensive Amazon FBA business plan template. Executive summary. This one is the most important part of planning your business. The business is introduced here. It acts like a smart tool, consolidating the major elements of the plan. Because of this, you should complete it after you are done with the others. Make it a summary of every other section. Company description. This is the overview of your company. It may contain your notable achievements, company location, founders, formation information, vision and mission. These three crucial subsections have to feature main objectives, include the reason for starting your business and your goals. Services or products, identify the products you are selling. Highlight past test results, pricing, product images, the developmental stages, and expected future products. Value proposition. This answers the following questions: what is different about what you are offering and why are you pursuing the business? Marketing plan or analysis. This guides the merchants on the necessary marketing activities, their execution in relation to future goals. Potential investors and partners will want this information. These are some of the things that you may include, based on your needs. SWOT analysis. Financial projections. Target market research. Target customer personas and profile customer segments. Customer relationship. Product and brand positioning. Elevator taglines and pitches. Marketing channels and plans. Marketing strategies and ideas. Marketing budget. Cost per action of testing. Operational plan. This section deals with the organization of your company's moving parts and it helps someone practically understand your products and the industry. Consider the following. Required space and facilities. Technology and equipment needs. Supply chain management. Distribution and logistics plans. Order fulfillment process. Quality control. Accounting and legal needs. Management and organization. Discuss your management in this section and your team's industry experience. Include board of directors, shareholders and owners, founders and the executive team, special advisors, department heads and key team members. Financial plan. This part contains exact figures of your current state financially, forecasts, and the startup cost. If you borrowed the funds, you should highlight how the money was used and a repayment schedule. Discuss the following. Expense projection. Income and expenses. Revenue streams. Cost structure. Break-even analysis. Appendices. This section contains finer details of what has been referenced in the plan. Examples include patent registrations, copies of insurance, appraisals, and licenses. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast.